Glute bridges are one of the best bodyweight exercises to activate and strengthen your glutes. No equipment, no noise. Just better hips, stronger legs, and less back pain when done consistently. Let's get to it. Lie down flat on the floor. Bring your heels in so you can touch them with your fingertips. That's a distance where your feet should be placed. Now, slowly raise your hips up all the way until you can get on your shoulders. So that's a bridge position. Very solid, very engaged glute position. Now slowly lower yourself all the way back down, one vertebrae at a time, and repeat again. At the top, make sure you squeeze in your glutes as hard as you can. And I want you to press through your heels. That's how you engage the most of your glutes. Maintain a straight body and make sure your glutes are burning. If it's too light, you can put a dumbbell, plate, or resistance